Anga soroboti rwa senjira yoboyekera nugo tigana nere job mangi mwancho muligeri bono ni goli tukoli lero omurai bwenzo muzika William Samuel Ruto niko wanabwato kendagara go chechi county mirongebere na isato chichikunde mono aso wakwa nomura kere ndagara kubara chi county cho kolengana ne serikali ni gobono bate biremba chiko karayu na koroto toko bwato ko kwendagara na boigensemo yokuboro kwa mache kire hiki unanchiremo yokonyara go konya chinsemo chiri chikunde mono niko chinga kichiruta unagoetania bakenya chimilioni 3.5 nigo bagendrete gochandeka aso kuburu endagera kubwatikana n'umurekera aso wonchorere yakwelire gati ebintu byabyo kubwatuko gocheche county chemerongebere na isato gati yabo no chiguni cyomochere chiguni kiribu emerongebere nabo igo chiguni cyekingende kiribu emerongebere ekibono kira konye chi county chemerongebere na isato aso kunyara wekinia na konyole endagera bakulia
3.5 million citizens in the Republic of Kenya are today severely affected by drought, not to mention livestock and other areas that are affected, delivery of water, the absence of pasture in many parts of our country. Currently, we have 23 counties across the country that are suffering the very serious and severe effects of drought. To avert any untoward further suffering of citizens in these areas, I did ask my deputy to convene a meeting of governors and all the other stakeholders, and we now have a plan of action to build on the plan that existed before so that we can efficiently and expeditiously deal